Happy birthday, Bunek! I hope you're having a great day. And hello po dyan sa mga kapamilya namin sa San Pablo. O yan, Neng ha, ang bilis-bilis ng panahon para sa'yo. O naalala mo ba, parang kailan lang tumatakas tayo kay Lolo at saka kay Chamaring para makapanood ng liga ng basketball. O, di ba? Parang kailan lang yun, ngayon dalaga ka na eh. 18 years old ka na. O, diba? I hope gumawa ka ng maraming magandang memories ngayon kasi pagtanda mo, babalikan mo yang o itong araw na to. Ning, I just want to let you know na I'm so proud of you. I know I don't always message, but I really am very proud of you. You're such a pretty girl and I'm so proud na patuloy at patuloy ang pag-aaral mo. Never ever give that up. Yan lang yung isang bagay na kahit na sino, walang pwedeng umagaw sa'yo. Kahit maraming exam pa yan, kahit maraming project, hala sige, laban lang. Dahil yan ay para sa kinabukasan mo at para rin yan sa kinabukasan ng pamilya mo. Okay? Pero ito na, yung wish ko talaga sa'yo is sana you always be strong and you'll always have faith. Yan. Now that you're 18, a lot of people will tell you, "Uy, 18 na yan, pwede nang mag-asawa." Nako, don't ever believe them, Neng, ha? Kasi 18th birthday is only the beginning of adulthood. And yung natutunan ko from my own personal experience, adulthood is really, really full of challenges at kailangan matatag ka. So, yun yung hiling ko sa'yo, yun yung wish ko, na sana magkaroon ka ng tiwala sa sarili mo, self-confidence, faith kay God, and I want you to have this belief. Maniwala ka that this world is governed by God and also by time. Walang bagay na hindi napapagaling through time. Time heals everyone nga daw. Tatandaan mo lang, pag may dumating sa'yo na pagsubok o problema, isipin mo lagi, sabihin mo lagi sa sarili mo, isulat mo sa wall mo, o ilagay mo sa cellphone mo, sa wallpaper mo, ilagay mo, this too shall pass. Matatapos din yan. Kahit anong problema yan, masusolusyonan mo yan. Kayang-kaya mo yan. Sabi nga nila, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Kaya, take those opportunities as chances to grow up and become a better version of yourself. Diba? A version 2.0, pwedeng 2.1, 2.2, hanggang ilan mo gusto. Walang limit ang learning. Life is continuous learning, ika nga. And yan so itong gift ko sa'yo, sana kasama mo siya lagi and just always hug it whenever you're feeling down. At kung may maitutulong ako sa'yo, just message me, just put like on the header, urgent, and talaga namang uunahin ko yan. Kahit ano pang ginagawa ko. Nandito lang si ate, pag kailangan mo ng tulong ko. And I miss you so much, and happy birthday, Neng. And again, I love you so much, and I'm so proud of you. Me, Kuya, Ate Alayna, at saka si mama mo, tsaka si na Tita Vicky, lahat kami proud sa'yo. Happy birthday, Neng, and I wish I can see you all soon. I miss you all so much. Bye-bye. Have a great day.